Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Hustle Hub, your shortcut to the smartest tools on the internet. Today I'm showing you 5 powerful AI tools that'll completely change how you work in 2025. Number 1. Gamma app. This tool creates full presentations for you, instantly. Just type your topic, and it designs beautiful slides with text and visuals, all automatically. No more wasting hours in PowerPoint. Gamma does it for you in seconds. Number 2. Vizard AI. If you make videos, this one's a game changer. Just upload your long video, and Vizard instantly cuts it into short viral clips, with captions and smart highlights. Perfect for YouTube Shorts and Reels. Number 3. Perplexity AI. Think of it like ChatGPT, but smarter. Perplexity searches the web live and gives real-time, fact-based answers, with sources you can actually click and verify. It's like having a genius researcher in your browser. Number 4. Leonardo AI. Need stunning AI images? Just type a prompt like, futuristic city at sunset, and boom, Leonardo generates ultra-realistic cinematic visuals in seconds. It's perfect for thumbnails, designs, or even AI artwork. And finally, number 5. 11 Labs. This tool can turn your text into lifelike human voices. You can make narrations, podcasts, or AI videos, and the voice sounds so natural, it's hard to tell.
Welcome to AI Hustle Hub.
It's not real. So, which of these tools blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you love discovering new AI tools like these, don't forget to hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning of your AI journey. Thanks for watching.